Today, we will talk about my favorite reading curriculum to teach your child how to read, and it's called All About Reading. I will explain why it's the best reading curriculum, in my opinion, to create strong readers. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I prep the All About Reading curriculum, so it makes it easier for me to use it every day in my homeschool, and I can use it for multiple kids. Let's get into it. My name is Iman, and on this channel, I help Muslim moms homeschool with confidence and joy while having routines and systems to stay on top of their home management and doing all that without sacrificing your own self-care. Okay, so the All About Reading curriculum is a very popular reading curriculum that creates strong readers. Their levels are from level 1 to level 4. So it's approximately from grade 1 to grade 4, 5-ish. The reason why this curriculum is very popular because it makes it so easy to teach your child how to read and to actually love reading. It covers all the rules that you need to teach for your child to be able to break down words and decode words to be able to read well. The other thing about this curriculum is that it's multi-sensory. So the child is doing many things to learn that reading skill, from reading flashcards to moving letter tiles to playing some games using the rules that they learn. It's very multisensory and covers many different learning styles. So therefore, all kids can use this curriculum because of all the different learning styles that it covers. The other thing I love about it is that the lessons are very short. They recommend doing max 20 minutes a day for 5 days a week. And so because usually I do my reading 4 days a week, each of our lesson is 25 minutes. And so I set that timer for 25 minutes. And once that timer ends, the lesson is done. And even though you're in the middle of a lesson, you do max for 20-25 minutes. So the only way to enjoy this curriculum and to use it properly with all the different factors and all the different things that it comes with, because it comes with a lot of different parts, you have to prep ahead before you start your homeschool year. And once you prep, which you only have to do once for each level, then you can use it every year and you can use it repeatedly for multiple kids. And so this curriculum is a pricier curriculum when you do buy it new, but once you prep it once, which I'll show you the way I do it in this video, once you do the prepping, you can use it for all of your kids to teach them how to read. Okay, what do you get when you buy the All About Reading curriculum? So this year we are on level 2. So if you buy the All About Reading level 2, you get 4 items in the bundle. You get a teacher's manual, you get a student packet, and this includes the activity sheets, all the letter cards and all the word cards, and you get 2 readers. And so every level has usually that main core package, which is the teacher's manual, student package, and a couple of readers. And so the next 2 items is extra, but I do recommend buying it. So you have an option to buy this reading review box. And this is the box where you keep all of your cards that you are doing for that level. It comes with you buy the box and it comes with different tabs. And so I've seen other moms not buying this box and just using a container from their kitchen. You can do it that way, but I recommend buying this box because you just have to buy it once. And so you can use it with one level, having one level cards in here, or it comes with these little sponge things that actually divides the cards, and you can put a different level cards in here. So you can have 2 kids that are doing All About Reading that are on 2 different levels and have all their cards here, all organized, but buy this box once. The other thing that you do need for All About Reading, and it doesn't come with your bundle that you buy, is your letter tiles. So you can either buy the letter tiles or you can buy the letter tiles on the app, which is digital, and you can use it on the iPad. And so I bought the level 1 All About Reading used. And so the lady had the whole main curriculum, the teacher's book, the student's book, and the readers. And also the lady also had this that she was selling, and she was selling all the tiles. So I got all that used at a great deal last year. So I do recommend looking for All About Reading curriculum used if you can. But otherwise, if you buy it new, I recommend getting the tiles or the actual letter app on a digital form. Okay, so for this part of the video, I'm gonna show you how I prep. So I'll show you everything that I have right now, and then I'll show you all the items you need to prep properly. And so what do you actually need to prep this whole curriculum? You need 4 items, which is I have them right here. You need to have a large binder, a 1.5 inch to 2 inch binder. I got a 2 inch binder. You need plastic sleeves that you can put in each activity sheet and all the little cuttings that you're gonna do, put them all together into the binder. You're gonna need a stapler and you're gonna need a paper clip. So right now I have the teacher guide, I have the student packet, and I have the reading box. So these two is what comes with a bundle when you buy the All About Reading from the website, and the box is extra. So when you first buy the teacher's manual, it comes bounded on here, on the side here, which I'll try to insert a video maybe somewhere on the screen if I can. But I really recommend taking it to your nearest print store and get it coiled, okay? That's like the best advice I gotten, and I've done that. And it really makes it easier for you as the mom to use this book every day, because when you open it, you can actually fold it and like keep your book open on that page, versus when it's bound, when it's like hard and bound, you can't fold it like this and keep your page. So I really recommend when you buy the All About Reading curriculum, take it to your nearest like print store and get it coiled. The other thing that comes with the packet is the student workbook and the letters and the cards. So when you're prepping this curriculum for the year, there's two parts to it. The first part is cutting out all of these letter and these word cards and putting it in your box. So the second biggest part of prepping is prepping your students' activity sheet. So this book is full of all these different activities that your kids will be doing, that they will be reading from, playing with. So you have to go through and cut out each page. The rest of the video is cutting out the student activity sheets, cutting each little cards here that they have, these dotted lines, and put them all together in a plastic sleeve here and putting it in my binder. Okay, it's been a week later and I'm finally done prepping the All About Reading Level 2 curriculum. And it took me a whole week because I couldn't work on it every day, and I can only work on it during nap and during nighttime, and it just took me a week. But alhamdulillah, I'm done. Here it is. Once you do it once, you don't have to do it again, and you can use it for multiple kids. So a tip I want to give you when you are cutting and clipping things together is to follow your teacher's manual very closely, because this is where it tells you what to put together, what can go together and what cannot. So that's exactly what I did. So here is the final look. I took the cover of the actual activity book and I put it in here, but here is everything I've cut, and I've paper clipped it together, and now it's ready for me to use this year. Yeah. So if you like this video, then you will love the next video on the screen, where I show you exactly how I plan inside my planner for the upcoming school year. So if you're interested in that, check out the video on the screen right now.